Hey.
Hey, Travis.
So, we came across this song, and, like, we knew it was your birthday.
Yes.
But this song, oh, yeah, happy birthday. You see our lights in my Christmas hat? This is my birthday hat.
It's a holiday.
So, what was I saying? Oh,
the song.
Like, the song just came across, and it's, I don't know, it's just crazy how perfect the lyrics are.
Right.
For this event.
Situation. It's just...
And we just couldn't let it pass by. We had to, like,
come on. Come on in here. It's all right.
You know how you find a song and you be like, because it's, like, right to your situation. Mm-hmm. And so this is how this song is. We just hope that the lyrics touch you like they did to us.
Right.
Because it was just, I mean, it's not really much you can say about it. You just got to go straight to the song.
Right.
So I'm going to cut this. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Travis. Happy birthday to you.
Now you tell me.
Tell me, did you not
what
be convicted?
What are the odds that we would find a song that's saying the message that we're trying to portray, happy birthday, we said that, and then the song Trust to Have to you.
Right.
So that's making it personal.
Because it's to you. I mean,
man, this song could have said anything. I mean, and then, like, she had the idea. I was just going to say, leave it, because it says happy birthday to insert your name here.
Right.
I was just going to sing all that. But she was like, we could just put Travis. I was like,
no other name would have fit in there.
Because we tried everything. We went through a list of names just to see. We showed her Abigail, Brandon, Catherine,
right,
Dominique, Eric, Faith, Gertrude. But it didn't ring the same. I mean, so
Travis sounded a whole lot better.
Yeah, I mean, it just makes sense if we're gonna sing. So we thank you for being born